Morning guys, so starting the day today with some laundry, just because you get through loads of pants and tops and stuff on holiday. It's quite easy. You can either download this app, which I did do, but then it wouldn't let me click the machine, so I closed it, came out of it, and then it was on it, so it's just a bit temperamental. It was £2 something for a wash, and it says it takes 29 minutes, so quite easy to follow. It's $3 something. I bought detergent from home because my partner has eczema, so easier to do, but they do have these here. How much are these? Let's press for a selection, so let's go for 25. Oh, they're $1. $1 for the laundry detergent. And I've got other snacks and stuff in here as well. But yeah, this is what the laundry room looks like. Got dryers, washers. I'm in here at about 7:30. I think I'm going to go fill the refillable mug, then come back. Good morning everyone. So after doing a bit of a laundry stop this morning, just washed some of the essentials and dried them in the dryer. I only left them in for half an hour. I don't leave them in for an hour because they were roasting. We're going to go to the bus stop now to go to Magic Kingdom. Really excited. We're going to grab some breakfast and then probably head over to Pirates, as we've got Lightning Lane today. We just thought it would be a good thing to do so we can get through rides quickly. Really don't like that you have to pay for it because it's basically the old fast pass system, but it's worked really well for us so far. So we're going to be doing that. We're not doing Lightning Lane tomorrow though, so let's go make good use of it, and off we go. Testing out the new Crocs today. I've never really been a Croc wearer, but because we're going on, well, we're steaming up some water rides and that, I thought, right, let's do it. Then I can wear them in the garden when I'm back. Well, they're quite popular to wear out, aren't they? So here we go. Cool kids at the back. They're slightly warmer at the back, the seats. Yeah. We've got an empty bus, you guys. No one going to Magic Kingdom. Feels a little bit cooler today. Not cold at all, but compared to yesterday. There's the Contemporary. I've got a Chef Mickey's in there. It's 8 minutes each from Port Orleans Riverside to Magic Kingdom. Not bad. We can actually take it in, because when we were here for the Halloween party, that was the first morning we were here, so we can actually take it in with my new Crocs. Let's go get some photos. We're here in the Magic Kingdom. I didn't take in all the decorations the other day, did you? Look how many pumpkins there are. We're going to go through the shop to get some aircon before we go and get a photo and then have some breakfast. I think we're going Mickey waffles. Look at this. Wow, look at those. I might have one of them. That's the cookie I want to have. That's the one I want to get near Storybook Treats. Are you ready for this? Gonna win.
You're gonna lose.
Historically I have lost to this. I'm better at non-in.
No mercy.
I know, no mercy. We got this. Glasses have come out, it's on. Let's do this. Oh, awful performance from myself. You've got a Mickey waffle with hazelnut spread, whipped cream and bananas. I went for a little mini cake pop. It's Rice Krispies, so it's breakfast, right? I'm a bit stingy with the hazelnut spread, we think. I think the waffles are smaller as well.
It tastes nice.
Does it taste good? Yeah, so does mine. How was your waffle?
It was good.
But
Stinged on the sauce.
Stinge on the hazelnut drizzle.
Very stingy.
Not good.
Basically non-existent.
Not good. Right, let's go. You want a bubble machine? No, because all you'll do is put that bubble machine in my face. Yeah, exactly. Very excited for this ride. 5 years since we went on Splash, so that would be cool to see the changes. I'm not going to vlog on there, one, because it's a wet ride, and two, because I just want to take it all in, so I'm excited to see what it looks like. You? He is really having a good time, I promise. So we're going to go to Tiana's now. We're going to take socks off with the Crocs so that we don't get damp socks. Oh, that's hot. we go. How exciting. Yeah. See the virtual queue or like the not too bad. So good. That was really good though. Really enjoyed it. It's so colourful and bright. The music, I'm almost there, is so good. And into Winnie the Pooh. Very nice dancing. Had some nice aircon, haven't we, from Hall of Presidents. Peter Pan's busy. What time's it saying? Well, it looks busy. Wait time, 35 minutes. That's not that bad for Peter Pan. Just looks busier. Winnie the Pooh time. Let's go, Winnie the Pooh. No. Go tap into another one. How quick are you going to speed us? Quick. Right, how quick we going? Oh, I literally did it already. Oh. I feel so dizzy. What time is it? Cookie time. Chico time. Seven Dwarfs is down. I'm glad we did that on the party night, aren't you? Not that we're not coming again, we are. Pardon? It was fun in the dark. Yeah, we're going to go to Storybook Treats because we want the treats. Massive cookie! So just behind here, Big Top Souvenirs. Yum! They do the best sweet treats. If you're near, definitely come in here. I'm saying this from memory from 5 years ago, but they are good. Let's see. Do we both want the same?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Could we get 2 of these cookies, please?
Chocolate chip one?
Yes, the large Mickey Mouse chocolate chip, please. Anything else? No, that's everything. Thank you.
You can also buy it those.
Thank you. Look at this cake pop. So we've just been to, I keep calling it Storybook Treats, but I don't think that's what it was called. The one near Dumbo. We got a Minute Maid lemonade slushie, a Powerade slushie, and we got 2 of the big cookies. It was $26 for the 3. Well, the 2 drinks and then 2 cookies. Let's taste test. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that's good. A Powerade slushie. No, mine's better. Yours is very lemonade-y. I had this from 2017 and then 2019. They do still have them around the parks. So you could, no, don't put it in. You gotta press swap. Pop it in. And then what should happen is a new one will pop out. Oh, please try again. Maybe it doesn't work. Barcode this way. Did you do it that way? Barcode.
Oh.
So we got a new one because it was such an old one. It just came out as an upgraded one. Lovely. Oh, has it got the new attachments and all? Amazing. Let's try. So sorry about that. Basically, my one now is too old. So what I did was it upgraded it to the new one, which we've got here. Let's charge it. Yes. And the new one, did it come with a lot of new attachments?
Yeah, it loads.
Oh, amazing. And it charges all of the different devices. So yeah, if you've got an old one of these lying around, it'll focus. I don't actually know. If you click buy and you'll see. So if you've got an old one lying around, come and pop it in for a new one. Click agree. If you wanted to buy a new one though, they're $38. Yeah. I think I only paid $20 for mine, $25, but that was back in the day. I feel like we got a winner there. Literally, it just did upgrade free and it came up with a brand new one. Winner, chicken dinner, exactly. You got to take what you can at Disney. Looks like it's still down, but we're gonna go to Space Mountain. Woo!
The People Mover, presented by Enterprise. I'm Orak 5, your guide aboard this highway in the sky. The absolute best way to see Tomorrowland. And my stars, is there ever lots to see? From spacecraft to monster labs.
We need to do that as well, that's well good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Especially if you're that guy. If you know, you know. My dad
Next
was that
station
guy
is
when...
Tomorrowland Urban Planning and Star Traders. Transfer to green and red lines.
Don't worry, your express train keeps on rolling through the future.
Oh, look at the
Right by
castle.
2 of my favorite spots.
I've dreamt of this moment walking down. Should we get a photo past there? I just had a full-on photo shoot over there. I wasn't expecting that. That was a really nice cast member. They were like, lean on the rocks now, lean on the side, put your hand on your hip. So we'll see how those photos come out. But we're gonna just head to Big Thunder Mountain now. I think it's gonna storm later today, but it's really hot. When I said this morning I think it was cooler, I lied. Don't know why I did. Brightened up now and not raining as much, but it was chucking it down. This doesn't do justice, but well, we've made it sci-fi after thunder, lightning and a rain shower bath. Ooh, exciting. Thank you.
Is this your first time dining with us?
We have been once before, but it was 5 years ago when we were last here. Yeah, so thank you. I wish we were here sooner, but COVID.
Yeah, I kind of messed everything up.
Yeah, just a little bit. So good. Wow. Oh, lovely, thank you. There's the menu. Very nice. I think I'll end up having the burger, whereas the classic American. No? Indigo. Then I've got a Long Island iced tea, included in the Fantasmic Dining Package. This is the all-American burger and fries. What was your one? The bacon cheeseburger. No, barbecue cheeseburger, sorry, barbecue. 2 clean plates from us. That was banging, so nice. I have had half my Long Island iced tea, so I can feel that in my head, but it was so nice. The burger was just cooked perfectly, it was lovely. Here's the dessert menu. I think I'm going to have the caramel brownie cheesecake. It looks good. That's just nice. This is the caramel brownie, was it? Caramel brownie cheesecake. Will you cut into yours?
I'll take it off.
I think you can take it off and then cut into the cheesecake. I love that they wrote parking violation on here for your bill. So that was 121. And I think I worked out $7 each per person more than if we just came at another time. Because it's 57 each. Here we go, guys. So this section is all for people with Fantasmic Dining. Lovely view, although it's meant to rain bang on 8. We'll see how that goes. Rocking time instead.